Hey guys, in this video, we're going to show you how to recover deleted photos from Google Files Safe folder. Sometimes we accidentally delete photos from the Safe folder in the Google Files app, and it feels like everything is gone forever. But before you panic, there are a few places you can check on your phone where some leftover data, hidden thumbnails, or backups might still be stored. So here's how you can try to recover those deleted photos step by step. First, open Files in your mobile device. Now, tap on the three lines from the top left corner to open the menu. Here, tap on Settings. Here you will find the option of Show Hidden Files. Now, turn the toggle on for it so your device can display all hidden folders that are normally not visible. Now go back and tap on Safe folder. Here you need to add your PIN or your pattern, and then you'll be able to enter the Safe folder. If you don't have anything inside your Safe folder because it got deleted, then you can move on to the next step. Then go back and tap on Internal Storage. Here you go through folders such as Files by Google. You may have the files here, so open the folder and check carefully. Sometimes deleted items leave small hidden copies or cached images. If you find any image files, you can open them or move them back to a safe location. If you don't have anything inside that folder, then go back and tap on Other Storage. Here tap on Drive, and here you can check if anything was backed up or synced by mistake. Sometimes Google Drive keeps older versions of files, so open the folders inside Drive, check the trash area, and see if any deleted photo is still available there. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you got some value. See you in the next one.